Did you know that mosquitoes can smell you from 100 feet away? That is right. Before you even step outside, they already know you are coming. And every summer, millions of American homeowners spend hundreds of dollars on sprays and candles and bug zappers, and the mosquitoes still win. But what if the real solution was already growing in someone's garden just down the street? What if a few simple plants could do what all those expensive products could not? Stay with me till the very end of this video, because I'm going to share 11 plants that mosquitoes absolutely hate. And I promise you, number 8 on this list is going to completely surprise you. It is something almost every American already has at home, and they had no idea it was keeping bugs away. Let's get into it. Let's start with number 1. Lavender. Now you already know lavender smells amazing. But here is what most people do not know. Mosquitoes have a super sensitive smell system. The same beautiful scent that we love, that sweet, calming fragrance, actually overloads and confuses the mosquito's nose. It blocks their ability to find you. Scientists call the active compound linalool. But all you need to know is this: plant lavender near your patio door or along your walkway, and mosquitoes will want nothing to do with that area. It loves dry soil and full sun. Almost zero maintenance. Just plant it once and let it do its job all summer long. Now, number 2 is one people always overlook. Citronella grass. Yes, you have seen citronella candles at Walmart or Home Depot. But do you know where citronella actually comes from? It comes from this big, beautiful grass plant. The real plant is 10 times more powerful than any candle made from it. The oil inside the leaves confuses mosquitoes and masks the carbon dioxide that you breathe out. Mosquitoes track that gas to find you. No signal, no mosquito. Plant it in a large pot near your seating area. It grows tall and looks gorgeous. And it costs just a few dollars as a starter plant. Number 3 is lemon balm. This is a bushy little herb that smells like lemons and mint mixed together. Mosquitoes cannot stand that fresh, sharp smell. What makes lemon balm special is that it spreads fast. So if you have a bare patch in your yard where bugs seem to gather, plant lemon balm there. It will fill in that space quickly and turn a problem zone into a bug-free zone. Fair warning though, it does spread, so either grow it in a pot or give it its own dedicated space. But for fighting mosquitoes naturally, it is one of the best. Number 4, catnip. I know what you are thinking. That is for cats, not for gardens. But here is the wild truth. Studies from Iowa State University showed that catnip is actually more effective than DEET, the chemical in most bug sprays, at repelling mosquitoes. The compound inside catnip, called nepetalactone, drives mosquitoes away fast. And here is the bonus: catnip is almost impossible to kill. It grows in poor soil, in heat, in partial shade. It practically takes care of itself. Just be ready for the neighborhood cats to come visit. Number 5 is basil. Yes, the same herb you use in pasta sauce. Basil is one of the only plants that releases its mosquito-fighting oils without you even touching it. Most repellent plants need you to crush the leaves first. Basil does the work on its own, just sitting there in the sun. Plant it near your outdoor kitchen or barbecue grill. You will use it for cooking, and it will keep the bugs away while you cook. That is what I call a 2-for-1 deal. Number 6 is peppermint. The strong, sharp smell of peppermint is something mosquitoes genuinely cannot tolerate. And here is a cool little trick. If you crush a few peppermint leaves and rub them on your arms and legs, you get a natural bug spray right from your own garden. It works for about an hour. And it smells a whole lot better than chemical spray. Grow peppermint in pots because, just like lemon balm, it spreads like crazy if you plant it directly in the ground. Number 7 is marigolds. These bright orange and yellow flowers are absolute champions at fighting bugs. And it is not just mosquitoes. Marigolds contain a compound called pyrethrum. That same compound is actually used in many commercial insecticides. But here, you get it for free, a pretty flower that blooms all summer. Plant marigolds along the borders of your yard, around your vegetable garden, or in pots by your porch steps. They are cheap, easy to grow from seed, and they look beautiful while protecting your whole yard. Okay, here is number 8. The one I promised you. Rosemary. I know. Rosemary is a kitchen herb. You use it on chicken and potatoes. But rosemary is also one of the most powerful mosquito repellents you can grow. The woody, piney smell of rosemary confuses and repels mosquitoes. In warmer states like Texas, Florida, and California, rosemary grows into a big, thick bush that can act like a natural hedge, a living wall of bug protection around your yard. In colder climates, grow it in a pot and bring it inside in winter. Either way, it will serve you in the kitchen and in the garden. Most people already have this plant and never knew what else it could do. Number 9 is bee balm, also called wild bergamot. This one is beautiful. Big, round, fluffy red and purple flowers that look like something from a fairy tale. Hummingbirds and butterflies love bee balm. Mosquitoes hate it. The strong aromatic oils in the leaves are what keep the bugs back. And here is a nice bonus. Bee balm is a native plant in many parts of the US, which means it is already adapted to your local climate and soil. It basically knows how to survive where you live without extra help from you. Number 10 is scented geraniums. Not just any geraniums, scented ones. Look for lemon-scented or rose-scented geraniums at your local nursery. They release a strong smell from their leaves that mosquitoes hate. You can plant them in pots, in window boxes, or hang them on the porch. They look lovely and do serious bug-fighting work. And in fall, you can bring the pots inside before frost, and they will survive to fight for you again next summer. Number 11 is the plant most people have never even heard of. It is called allium. Allium is the family that includes garlic, onions, and chives. The strong sulfur-based smell that these plants produce is like a force field for mosquitoes. Even planting regular garlic along the edge of your yard can make a real difference. Chives are even easier. They grow in small clumps, they are very low maintenance, and you can use them in your salads. Plant a row of chives or garlic along your yard's edge and create a natural invisible barrier that bugs refuse to cross. Now here is one big mistake I see homeowners make all the time. They plant 1 or 2 of these plants in a random pot, nothing changes, and they give up. But here is the thing. These plants work best in groups. Think of it like surrounding your yard with a team of defenders, not just one. Use lavender near the door, marigolds along the borders, basil by the grill, and rosemary in pots around your seating area. Stack them together and you create something much stronger than any single plant can do alone. And one more thing before I go. These plants are not just bug fighters. Most of them are also beautiful, edible, or attract butterflies and bees. So you're not just protecting your yard, you are building a little ecosystem that works for you all season long. If this video helped you see your yard a little differently today, then I want you to know this is exactly what Chill Harvest Garden is all about. Every single week, I share simple, low-cost, low-effort ideas that help regular homeowners grow more, spend less, and actually enjoy being outside. When you subscribe to this channel, you are not just hitting a button. You are joining a community of smart, relaxed gardeners who have decided that their yard should work for them, not the other way around. Hit subscribe and come grow with us. I will see you in the next one.